akong iawhag ang tanan no na mo tampo sa atong housing fair. Pero binisaya na nako sa inyo no for the Cebuano viewers and listeners. Tambong ta sa atong housing fair. Ato ning pag-ibig no. So let's make use no, of our benefits no, under the pag-ibig program. So we have gathered no, instead of you shopping around, looking for developers going from one place to another, we have gathered them in one place no, para dito mo mag-shopping. No? Tanatanaw na lang mo dito say, ang mo yun ang inyong mabalay, pwede ba pondo, you can do it for investment or even your future home. No? Na mga discounts on the offer, ako lang, I'll just go through some, the developers, our partner developers are offering from 2.8 na starting selling nag-offer siya of 2.5 million and then they're willing to waive the move-in fees and documentation fees. We have developers who are also offering 7% discount no, on the total contract price, 5% discount on the total contract price, 3% discount plus furnitures and appliances. So including na lang mga air conditioning units, washing machine, furnitures. We also have developers who are also offering worth 200,000 in furnitures and fixtures no, for those who will avail. And then may mga puyo dayon no. For ano ni Sir Jack yung puyo dayon sir is ano move in right away no. As long as makabayad lang mga 3%, there are conditions. But these are very, it is very enticing, no? Because it's being offered them during that housing fair. So, and then even our media partners, please come and visit our housing fair.
Go ahead, Susan.